In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Outlook emails. By the end, you'll know exactly how to access Outlook on the web, start a new message, open the drawing tools, and customize your pen so you can sketch, annotate, or highlight right inside your email. Start by opening your web browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search box, type Outlook and look for the official Microsoft Outlook website. You'll recognize it by the Microsoft branding and the Outlook.com address. Click through to open Outlook on the web. If you're asked to sign in, use your regular account to continue so you land in your inbox. Once your mailbox loads, look for the New Mail button, usually near the top left. Click it to open a fresh Compose window. You'll see the familiar fields for recipients, subject, and the message body, along with a formatting toolbar across the top of the Compose area. On that toolbar, find the option labeled Draw. Click it to switch from standard text formatting into the drawing interface. Depending on your window size, Draw might appear directly on the toolbar or under a More Options menu. If you don't see it, try expanding your window or clicking the three-dot menu to reveal additional tools. With the Draw tools open, you can sketch directly in the body of your email. Use your mouse, trackpad, or a touchscreen to write notes, circle important details, draw arrows, or create quick diagrams. If you make a mistake, the Undo control helps you step back without starting over, and the Eraser tool lets you tidy up small areas while keeping the rest of your sketch intact. This is great for clarifying instructions, annotating ideas, or adding a quick personal touch when words alone aren't enough. You can also change your pen color to make different parts of your drawing stand out. Look for the pen options, then pick a color that suits your message, perhaps one color for headings and another for highlights. While you're there, adjust the thickness to fine-tune how bold or delicate your strokes appear. Thinner lines are perfect for handwriting or detail work, while thicker lines are ideal for emphasis and shapes. When you're happy with your drawing, continue writing any accompanying text, add recipients and a subject, and send your email as usual. Your drawing will appear in line for your recipient to view immediately. That's it. Simple, visual, and effective.